hope I don't trip over that light.
What's the matter?
I didn't put my gloves on, you dickhead. I've got a fluoro on the floor there and I'm trying not to flip over it. Not a fluoro, a RGB light, red, green and blue light. But mine's red, yellow and green. It's just giving off all these LED colours here, make it more pleasant to watch. All right, let's go again, little buddy.
No worries, dickhead. Now, just please do it right. One take is all you need, dickhead.
All right. G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to paint detail without even knowing how hard. No. Today I'm going to show you how to paint detail. And just to show you how easy it is to achieve detail in your painting. What was that? To your painting.
The fuck you doing?
I'm just trying to get ready for the next edit bit to your painting. So what was that? How to blend reasons to watch to the end. Painting. So stick around to the end and I'll show you how to do all that. And I'm going to show you the reference picture, and it was a big thing. And I'm going to show you the reference picture, and I want to say a big thank you to, what was her name? Oh, Teresa Campbell. Big thank you to Teresa Campbell. Now this is a covered bridge. There's a bit of detail in it, but I know a beginner can do this. And if you just don't know how to do it, well, I'm here to show you how you can do it, because I know you can do it. There's the size of my canvas, and I'll also get the colors running up the screen that I'm going to use in this tutorial as well. And while they're going up, like I said, hit the like button if it's your first time here, share, subscribe, and all those colours to go up as well. And if it's your first time here, give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and give us a comment below. Just tell me what you think about my channel with this video, or how you came across my channel, all right? So let's get on over here and we'll get right into it.
Bloody hell, mate. What the fuck?
I know, it's just filming, you little buddy. That's all filming. Now I've got to get rid of that light. I'll just show them what's on the bloody floor there. I've got to turn that one off now. Get it out the way so I can move my camera. It's just an LED light, but I put some paper on it. That can go there, said the bear. Now we can bring the camera over here just for the next shot.
What a lot of sauce for all this spaghetti.
Yes. Okay, where's the pencil? There's the pencil, because we're going to do a pencil trick.
Oh, you like doing tricks with your fucking pencil, don't you? You fucking bastard.
Just shut your mouth, little buddy.
Don't you tell me to shut me mouth, you bastard. I'll bloody hit you.
You won't hit me, there's no violence on my channel. Okay, there we go there. So where's the pencil? So we'll grab the pencil. That's not a pencil, rah. Okay, is this camera still rolling? Yes. Okay, let's go to the next shot. Get that water over there. Now where's my pencil? There it is there. Turn that black bit around. So I'm going to pick it up. How am I going to do it? I've got to rest my elbow there. Pencil. All right. So let's get on over here and get right into it. Okay, there's my canvas. We'll just grab my pencil here. Hang on a minute, that's not a pencil.
What the fuck are you doing, Mr. Guru?
Shut up, I'm just getting everything ready. It's not a pencil. That's not a pencil. That's what you call a pencil. Now ignore that one there. This is a black gesso job, this one.
Ooh, black gesso, eh? Fuck, I've never seen you do black gesso before, Mr. Ian.
Righto, so we've got that. Black gesso. Has this got anything written on it? Oh, it has, but it's, yeah, there we go. We'll put that there. Shit. Where are we? Okay. Is that running? Let's get this on here. It's pure black. Fucking hell, there's a lot of paint. Let's get this shit on there. This will be sped up, so you won't hear what I'm saying. It'll just have that speed up music, little buddy.
Oh, thank fuck for that. Oh, excuse me.
You gotta stop burping, little buddy. You always do that when I've got the camera on. You're lucky they won't hear the sound in this. Now, you might be looking at this water and thinking, oh my goodness, there's a lot of detail there.
Fuck yeah, Ian, there's tons of fucking detail there. How the fuck are they going to do that?
Shut your mouth, little buddy. Let me tell them how they're going to do it.
Don't you tell me to shut me mouth, I'll slap you.
Shut up. All right, so we're not even going to worry about the bottom half.
Fuck, you can go on, Ian.
I have to go on for their sake because I'm teaching beginners how to paint, but I like to teach them how to paint something a bit more than a flat stampy sort of painting. I like to show them how to paint something with some charisma, maybe. Okay, I'm going to dry that with my hairdryer.
Oh, fuck me, I'm turning the camera off while you do that, Ian.
I do have a yellow-green. Fuck some yellow. Get out of there, you bastard. No, that's not the one. Where the fuck is it? You've got these ones here. Green, green, green. Jesus. Where the fuck's me yellow-green? I've got a yellow-green somewhere. Alright, is it in here somewhere? Where are you? You bastard, it's gone, it's gone. Alright, here it is right there, you dickhead. Grab your greens. I've also got some black if I need to make one of these a bit darker than what it already is. Now, hang on.
What the fuck are you doing, Ian?
I'm trying to make it correspond from clip to clip, you dickhead.
Don't you call me a dickhead, I'll slap you.
Look, just shut up. Where are we? I'm up to now. You love what you do. My goodness, you can do lots of stuff.
Are you talking about bullshit, Ian? They can do a lot of bullshit on the canvas. That's what you're talking about, is it, boy?
Well, yes, little buddy, it can be bullshit. So, you might be forgiven. Oh my God, there's so many greens. How am I going to keep track? There's a bit of a yellowy white green here. There's a bit of a whiter green here.
There's a fucking lot of colours there, Ian. How the fuck are you supposed to keep up with that?
Hold on, little buddy. Just do 3 things. Painting is happening. Okay, where are we? Down here? Yeah.
You love fucking around with your hand, don't you?
Well, I'm taking advantage of the glove, little buddy, because the glove is and I just like to do that. It makes it for more interesting visuals on the camera because it's filming, we're cameraing. I get it transferable, which means add a little bit of water, not too much. You add too much water, it'll go see-through, it'll turn your painting to snot and you'll be disappointed.
And that's simply because the bastards don't fucking listen, Ian.
No, some people can't remember everything, little buddy. So, we've got our brush loaded up. A lot of this is behind. There's my roof line there, whenever I penciled it in with my big pencil.
You big fucking pencil, Ian. You and your big pencil.
Shut your mouth, little buddy.
I told you, don't tell me to shut me mouth. I'll slap you.
I haven't done anything here or here.
Why the fuck not, Ian?
Shush, little buddy. Because we don't know where the sun is, but it's there because it's in the reference picture. So any detail police that want to throw their 2 bob bits around, go for it.
Yeah, go for it, you bastards, because at the end of the day, you can all just go and get fucked.
Now this is ready. Oh, get down there, you dog. There we go. Now this is ready. That dagger brush I can use as me leaves too. I like that. I like that.
You like it, do you, Ian?
Yeah, I'm going to just give this a dry.
Well, turn the fucking camera off. I don't want to hear your hairdryer again.
Very lightly touching the canvas is the key.
Fucking very, hey Ian, you're really very, eh?
Shut your mouth.
Don't you tell me to shut me mouth, I'll fuck you right up.
Shh. And now I'm just going to simply block that in with the grey.
You got shaky hands there, Ian, eh?
Oh yeah, my hands are not the steadiest, they're shaky as... What is it? No, that was the old one, wasn't it, little buddy?
Oh, fuck if I know, mate. I don't remember all this shit you do.
I don't remember half of it either. So what are you doing the rest of the day, mate?
What the fuck's it to you?
Oh, I was just asking, you know, because I'm trying to be sociable.
Well, you know what? I might have a bit of a rest. I'll use your bed, actually, and I'll have a rest in your bed.
Oh, will you now? Now be mindful how far you want to finish it here, okay?
Fucking mindful, Ian. Everything's mindful, eh?
And you can see what's happened.
Sign the fucking thing, Ian. You're going all day on this bastard.
Yeah, I am. All right, we'll just autograph this and we'll whack a frame on it. And I want to thank all my patrons who support my content every month. Much appreciated. All my links are in the description below. Where are we? I want to zoom back from there. That's it. Is that still going? Yeah. Okay, let's whack a frame on that and see how she looks. And with some practice, I know you can do it. Oh, where's my monitor? Okay, let's get this all the way over here. Oh, my knee's killing me. Turn this aircon off, I'm freezing my balls. Oh, my knee's cramping. Okay, where are we? There we'll go. We'll just do the outro here. Okay.
I'll fucking get you. I want you to stand right in front of that bastard, Ian.
Don't worry, I will, little buddy. Okay. And I know you can do it. And who was this again? Once again, thank you to Teresa Campbell. Or Teresa Campbell. Teresa or Teresa. And I know you can do it. Well, what a lot of fun that was. I had a lot of good... No, I enjoyed painting that. And I know you can do it. Well, I enjoyed painting that. I hope you learnt something along the way. And once again, a big thank you to Teresa Campbell. Be sure to check out this other video of mine. And you make sure you tell your friends if you like what I'm doing. But if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya. Oh, okay. All right, I just had to walk out. If you're watching the bloopers here, thank you for watching. Give me a comment if you want them to keep coming. They're not in every video, like I say. And once again, hit the links below. See what I've got in my cupboard. It's me cupboard.
Yeah, have a look at what the guru's got in his fucking cupboard, for God's sake.
Don't use the Lord's name in vain.
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
All right, so I will go and take a photo of this now, go inside, have something to eat, okay? Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya.
Yeah, and fuck right off.
Shh, that's little buddy. See ya.